ice. Let us indulge our service.
Wow, I'm so thirsty. Yeah, it's super hot today.
Some here I'm sweating a lot. We hit something refreshing. Good what?
What's all we get?
Why don't we make of ice?
Alright, pop ice is delicious and so refreshing.
Sounds good.
Absolutely. Alright, let's prepare everything.
Okay.
Alright friends, now we are going to pop ice. Please step get all the ingredients and tools ready. Tools, blender, browse, plastic cup, white light, ingredient, water, ice cubby, pop ice, milk, sugar, and cheese.
Let's pour the pop ice into the blender. Let's add it water. Add its cubby.
Gas.
And sugar.
Hello.
Ulan. Step 2. Mix around the edge of the glass like this. Then get the blender of ice mixture and pour it into the glass.
Don't forget to add toppings like jimmies. The pop ice like this. And don't forget the scouting you go. Your pop ice ready.
2,000 years later.
It's so delicious. Yes, super progressive.
No, I did not super hot anymore. Right now we can study again. Friends, thank you so much for watching our video. See you next time. Bye bye.